Welcome back to Learning with the Difference News Headlines for School Morning Assembly. Coronavirus highlights 5,784 fresh COVID cases in India, 21% lower than yesterday. Delhi's 4 new Omicron patients asymptomatic. The Chief Justice of India said women on average constitute only about 30% of the judges in lower judiciary. International flights to resume December 15, limited services to 14 nations. Nirmala Sitharaman to hold pre-budget consultations beginning today. Now some international news. Omicron probably in most countries, spreading at unprecedented rate, WHO. Pakistan on Tuesday issued visas to 112 Indian pilgrims to visit a prominent Hindu temple complex in Punjab's Chakwal district. At least 62 burned alive in Hathi gas tanker explosion. Now some sports news. Pakistan beat West Indies by 9 runs in second T20 international to take unaccessible 2-0 lead. Red Bull driver Max Verstappen sealed his first World Championship title after protests from Mercedes were rejected. BWF World Championships, PV Sindhu sealed a win against Martina Rapiska and Kidambi Shrikant edge past Li Shifeng. And these were today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.